Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lesson on circles. So if we have a look here on the left hand side, you will see a circle with the origin of 0. So here we have 0, 0. If we have a radius, for example, of 5 from 0 to that point here, that would be 5 units. Along the y-axis here, that would be 5 and negative 5, and here we would have negative 5. So along the entire area here, you will find that all along here you will have a radius of 5. So the formula that you would use is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. On the right hand side, you will notice that the circle, the center of the circle, is no longer at the origin. It has now moved, or we would say it's translated to the left and translated a bit down. So the center here is, for example, if I were writing this out, I'd say maybe this is like negative 3, negative 1. So it's no longer at 0, 0. So we would then use the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. Let's look at a few examples. So number 1, you would start off with write down the equation of each of the following circles with a center C, HK, and the radius R. So the first one, the center is 0, 0. So if the center is 0, 0, we're going to use x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. So here we're going to have x squared plus y squared equal to, now what is r? R is 3. So we're going to have 3 squared. So my formula will be x squared plus y squared equal to 9. Now on the right hand side, the center of the circle is now at 1, 3. So your formula here would be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to r squared. We would then have x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to 5 squared. And so my final equation would be x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to 25. Now looking at C, the center is at negative 3 and 4. So in this case, I'm going to go straight into substituting into the formula. It's x minus 3 squared plus y minus 4 equal to 5 over 2 squared. Now I want you to take note that when it's a negative, you go minus, minus. So therefore, it's going to be x plus 3 squared plus, I forgot the squared here, plus y minus 4 squared equal to, now 5 squared is 25 over 4 squared, 2 squared, which would give me 4. So here we have worked out, we have written out the equation for each of the following. So let's have a look at another one. Number 2, it says find the center C and the radius R of the following circles. So the center here is going to be 1, 3, and my radius is going to be, so the radius squared basically is equal to 4. So if I want to find the radius, I'm going to square root both sides, and the square root of r squared is r, and the square root of 4 is 2. So therefore my radius is equal to 2. So now we move on to the next one. And if we're looking at the next one, the center here is going to be negative 5, 4, and the radius squared is equal to 8. We're going to square root both sides. And if we square root both sides, we're basically going to have r equal to the square root of 8. But the square root of 8 can be simplified further. I want us to remember that 8 is 4 times 2. And the square root of 4 is 2 root 2. So simplified, your answer is going to be 2 root 2. I hope you found this useful. Please like and subscribe and follow me in my next video, where I'll be continuing with circles.